In a hidden corner of the mysterious bush, spider, caterpillar, and ant lived in harmony, each with their own unique talents. One day, a powerful storm struck the bush, destroying Spider's web and leaving her vulnerable and scared. Caterpillar tried to rebuild Spider's web using leaves, but instead got tangled up in the process. Making things worse, Ant, known for his resourcefulness, suggested they seek help from the wise old koala, who lived nearby. Koala guided them to a secret spot where a magical rainbow caterpillar could spin a new web for Spider, helping her regain her strength and confidence. As they thanked the rainbow caterpillar, they discovered that the storm had also brought new flowers and food to the bush, bringing joy and plentiful resources for all the creatures. Spider, caterpillar, and ant realized that even in the face of adversity, friendship and kindness could lead to unexpected blessings. As the sun set over